All right, so now that you have your scenario, I actually want you to go ahead and create a table of values and a graph for it. So I'm going to do my example and to help you out, and then you will think of your own for your topic and your scenario. So mine, we're going to call this topic table of values and graph. So go ahead in your notebooks, make sure you have a page with a number and the title, and then you can keep watching this video. Okay, so in this scenario that I have, my input was the number of people who can be in the restaurant, which can only be up to 50, well, fewer than 50. And then the output is how much money people spend. So I think for my graph, I know that I'm going to have a vertical asymptote at 50. So I'm going to draw a quick X and Y axis. Again, you already have a graphing notebook. So I can't really have negative people and negative money, so I'm just going to use the X and Y, positive X and Y axis. Really important that you label the X and Y axis what they are. So for me, my input is the number of people, and then the output is the amount of money people spend, okay, in dollars, okay. And I know I have a vertical asymptote, so go ahead, label what your X and Y axis is, and then label where your vertical asymptote is. So I'm going to go ahead and write 10, oops, I'm going to do 10, 20, 30, 40, oops, this is kind of uneven. I want to make sure this is even. $40 and $50. Okay, so I'm going to say this right here is 50. Okay, I'm going to move this down. Okay, at 50 people, I cannot have 50 people. I can only have less than that. So there's going to be this vertical asymptote there. And I'm gonna try to make it. Usually asymptotes are done with a broken line. So I'm trying to see. Maybe I'll just do a. Oh, it's not working. Okay, well, I'll just do like a line. And I'll color it yellow. Oh, no, I can make it broken here. Cool. Okay, so there's my vertical asymptote. I'm going to do it in yellow so you can kind of, oh, maybe a different color, orange, so you can kind of see it. Okay, there's my vertical asymptote. And I'm going to label it vertical asymptote at x equals 50 because I can only have 50 people in my restaurant. So explain where your vertical asymptote is and why that's a limitation you have, okay? And then the shape of my graph will depend on what's going on in my situation. So obviously I want to get as many people to 50 as possible. And the fewer people I have, the less money I'm making. And the more people I have, the more money I'm going to make. So the shape of my graph is most likely going to be, oops, excuse me, let me fix that. Kind of like this kind of curve. Oh, goodness. Let me do that one more time. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, the more people I have, okay, oh goodness. Okay, the less people I have, Sorry, it's kind of a little crooked, but hopefully you get the idea. The fewer people I have, the less money I'm gonna make, but the more people I have, the more money I'm gonna make. So, but I'm never gonna have 50 people. Okay, I can only get as close as possible to 50, but my amount of money can still be a lot of money, especially because, okay, fix this a little bit, especially since, you know, the more people I have, you know, the more people are going to be encouraged to spend money in my restaurant. Okay, so now you try it with your scenario. Put this below my situation. So you're going to go ahead and create a graph for your scenario. And I'm really sorry, I'm actually not going to have you do a table of values. We're just going to do a topic graph. So in your notebook, go ahead and draw a graph of what your situation looks like, what your scenario looks like, and make sure you label your input, your output, and your vertical asymptote. When you're finished, take a photo of your work and then upload it on Dreamseedo.